You ever feel like you're under a spotlight even when you're just trying to eat dinner or play a board game? Same here, but today we're fixing that with these. These are warming gels from AirShade. These things come in a pack of 30, perfectly cut to fit the Airstream puck lights. And check this out, a guitar pick for prying off the light covers. You can either install these gels or join a band. It's a win-win either way. Step 1, use the guitar pick to remove the cover. Just a little pressure and they pop right off. Step 2, remove gels from packaging. Step 3, fan them out, just because it's cool, because there's so many of them. Step 4, place one gel in and gives you a soft warm glow, perfect for dining or working on your laptop. Add 2 for a cozier vibe. Stack 3 or more and suddenly it feels like you're sitting in a fancy coffee shop minus the $8 latte. Next, line up your cover, snap it back into place. Easy. No tools, no hassle, and no more glaring interrogation style lighting. Now I'm going to do the other light. Look at this transformation. The glare is gone, the light is soft, it's warm, it's easy on the eyes. Perfect for board games, dinners, or just relaxing as winter nights get longer. So if you want to say goodbye to the harsh lighting and hello to a more cozier Airstream, grab yourself some AirShade Warming Gels. They're easy to install, customizable. You can just stack them in there if you want a more warm, cozy glow or less warm, cozy glow. And they'll make your rig feel like home. Plus, you get this free guitar pick, practical and stylish. What more could you want? Use code 13Adventures for 10% off your warming gels or any purchase on AirShade. Transform your Airstream lighting today. I did a video some months ago on AirShade's lighting covers. They make these wonderful light covers you can put over your interior lights. They magnet up there and they're really fantastic. It's really great for those ultra white, bright lights that come in some Airstream models and some trim levels and some year models because they've changed the lights over the years. But if you have exceptionally bright, harsh white lighting inside your trailer, check out the AirShade covers. If your lights are not that bad, but the ones right here over your table are horrible, which is for us, we like these little warming gels because they make sitting right here much more manageable and much easier on the eyes and nice to sit here. Particularly in these winter months when the days are shorter and the nights are longer and you're in your rig much more in the dark. These things are wonderful. I'm a huge fan. And we've also had these in here for a while. I just made this video of making the install now, but I've used them now and I've tested out my lighting. So this is 3 gels in each. So I've tested them out for a while. We tested 2 gels, we tested 4 gels. Now we're at 3 and kind of 3 is our happy medium. We've had them in here for maybe 2 months now and continue to enjoy it and continue to enjoy the lighting because it's much less harsh on the eyes than it was. And we can sit here and enjoy our space in the evenings comfortably without being blinded or needing sunglasses inside your rig. So Mina and Taylor are awesome humans. We love them so very much. So glad to know them and so glad to call them friends. I can't wait to see them again. But whether you need the covers or these gels, check them out. I think they're fantastic. You won't be disappointed for sure. If you have any questions, as always, please ask. Thanks for joining, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love you all. Happy adventures. I was going to add something, but I'll see. For prying the light. What are you doing over there?
Well, so I was trying to make it so it wouldn't make noise.
You need to get the darker, a more glow, more.
A warmer glow, a warmer.